That was not there before. The dog was there! I've waited a long time to buy this game. Yeah, I waited so long to get a VR headset because this is a VR game. I didn't have the patience. So I bought the PC version of this VR game. Okay, let's go into the game. There's like 7, actually 8 endings to this game, but one is a limited time exclusive that only happens every one time of a year. Wait, hold up. Why is this not full screen? Bro, it's not full screen, but I guess I don't care. And it's also really freaking laggy. Okay. Okay, what's up guys? Today we're playing Duck Season. Wait, hold up. Okay. Easy, medium, hard. Medium. Yo. Stress level is okay. Oh, he's just bored at home.
Mom?
Help me carry in these groceries.
Oh, you got Duck Season!
Yo!
1 day rental, so make the most of it.
Oh,
Okay.
I will!
Yeah, I will. This will be one of my favorite series ever. I will get all the endings of this game. Oh yeah, you have unlimited storage. Can I go here? No, I can't.
So that means we got a lot of first-time hunters out there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna teach you how to use your shotgun today. All our shotguns come preloaded, so to start shooting, all you gotta do is aim it and pull the trigger.
Okay.
Now to keep shooting, all you gotta do is place your hand on the pump of the shotgun and rack that baby. Now you got another round in the chamber and you're ready to shoot.
How do I put my other
Just like
hand
that.
there?
Now, reloading your shotgun is easy. All you gotta do is put your hand out, summon a shell from your box, and put that baby into the chamber underneath the shotgun. Pump it one more time, and you're ready to go again.
What is that?
Now, professional hunters,
Mom, can you make me
they like
some
to keep their
peanut butter and jelly?
topped off.
I need
So
it.
each time you fire off a round and you have a second, put a baby in there. Keep yourself prepared for the amount of ducks that'll be flying at you. They'll be coming from everywhere. From the left, to the right. They're everywhere, man. So I hope you guys learned something. And remember, the first rule of gun safety is have fun. Because remember, it's duck season.
Yes, it is. It's Duck Season. Ooh. Okay, level 1. Oh. Yo. That's me. What's up, bro? How do I reload? Oh, R is reload. Oh, that's what I knew it. Okay. Oh, I shot the dog. Oh, more than once. I shot him once. One bird down.
No!
Hold up. You have to be so precise in this game. Glad I got that Fortnite aim. from my old days. I used to be really good at Fortnite, so now you know where I got my aim from.
No!
Oh no.
No! No! No!
Oh, I got it even though it was out of the barrier. What's up, dog?
No!
Something is up with that dog. I don't trust it. I don't trust the dog. I'm gonna stay in this position the whole time so I don't need to
No!
change my position on my face cam throughout the video. Wait, this is really loud.
No! No! No!
Yeah, now I got it. What about now?
No!
Hold up.
No! No!
You serious?
No! No!
I missed all of the shots to it. I'm sorry, dog. Oh, here's all the birds I've killed.
Try!
Hold up. Oh! Great! Yeah, I got 2 shots in a row. Round 2. I don't trust you, dog. That dog is, something weird is wrong with that dog. Something is definitely wrong with that dog. That dog is way too weird. I don't trust it. How am I this good? I used to play on controller in Fortnite. I didn't. Well, actually, I tried keyboard and mouse a few times, but I was pretty bad. Hold up, I'ma just talk normal and let me make it a bit let me make the volume of this game smaller in editing. Oh no, I forgot to reload. There we go. Hold up. There we go. Okay, I'm doing really good. How did I miss all of those? Yes, great. Yeah, I got like a headshot almost. You have like no chill, like I can't eat my candy. Oh, okay, now I can. I loaded a few into my mouth to be ready. Double! 2 ducks with 1 shot. That's like that saying, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Yo, I'm so goated. Hold up. Okay, guess I'm not goated anymore. Okay, I am.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, something is up with you. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, this reminds me of a game I'm about to play soon. Some hints. That's 1 hint for y'all. I shot myself. Oh, that's how many ducks I've killed already. Oh, I think you have to reload differently, like in the VR version of this, like pick it up from the truck. Those ghost candies are the best. Yes. Mom, can you make me that PB&J sandwich like I told you?
Yeah! Duck season! I don't know about this.
I'm not about to play this. Oh yeah, this is... Oh! Okay. Level 2. I'm gonna make like 8 episodes on this. If y'all like this, I will actually make them as fast as I can, maybe. I'm gonna shoot you. You're weird. Hold up. Yeah. Took 2 shots for me to kill that one bird. Ah, yeah, I got him. I got him. This easy still. Then it's about to be like. I don't trust that dog, bruh. That dog is weird. Okay. I was waiting for that. Look, I can precisely aim very good. I can trace a bird. Almost. Yeah. Took me a few shots, but yeah, I got them. Hold up. It's like pretty hard to reload probably in this VR version, but this VR version is like way better, like in the feelings and vibes and everything. The vibe of this game is really better on the VR, but it costs 2 times more. Yeah. Trick you. Yes, I'm too trapped. Actually, no, I'm not. I got it. Yes! Yes! Okay. I got... Wait, what does that red duck thing mean? Like, if I shot the dog or something? I don't know. Oh, like two more ducks and I'm over with. Look. Hold up. Yes, I did it. New round. Round 3 now. Okay, let's see if this is about to be chaos. Hold up. Yeah, that's me. Wait, where's my mom? Oh yeah, she's still sitting at the table, I think. I think it looks like it, yeah. This is such a happy game, bruh. I love this. Hold up. How could I not get that? Look how close it's flying to the ground now. Now I got it. A lot more ducks for me to beat this. Oh my. Almost 2 with 1. No, that's not great, dog. Woo! 4 more! 4 more until I'm done. Of course, I'm not about to get any this time. Okay, at least I got 1. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, I got 2. Okay, then these 2 and then I win. Oh. My camera is almost about to die. In like 3 minutes. Okay. I don't have time to play this, so hold up. Let me reset my camera storage and I'll be right back. Okay, put the camera back now, EG! Okay, I'm back. Hold up though. Where's my mom? Mom! You here? I guess I'll go back to playing. Yeah, my mom literally disappeared. Time attacker, shoot 5 ducks in less than 15 seconds. No, that's not possible. many did I shoot? 3 ducks. Okay. Yeah, she just disappeared again. Fat dog shoot 14 ducks before they escape. So this time it's just random different mini games. I won't be able to do this, by the way. Almost. Did I reach it? Oh, 14 out of 14. I did reach it. Oh, thank you. Duck sanity. Don't let 10 ducks pass you. Are they about to fly towards me? What? That was like impossible. Hold up. Oh, I did it! Probably this is not... How do you exit? Oh, hello.
There's a new hero in town, and to stop the evil Lord Duminox from taking over the world, you need a soldier with the right tools for the job.
Mom is just sitting at the dinner table. Okay, let's see what level 4 is. Hopefully it's not some mini games again, because that was kind of boring. Okay. I guess this is normal now. Oh, that's like bullets, or like, yeah, probably. Oh no. Four left already. Oh, 2 left already. Yeah, but this is round 1, so yeah. Where did you even do it? Yeah, I'm ready. Where are they? Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, my mouse went like this. Oh, kill 100 ducks. Let's go. The fat duck thing like was easy as freak. Oh, I missed the one. Oh, you don't even have to shoot all of those. You can also. At least I tried. Oh, I got all of them, I guess. Oh, that's the thing that drops all the ducks. Hold up. I mean close. I didn't even miss one. Oh, here. Okay. At least this is round 3 already. Wait, did I shoot both with 1 shot? I think yes, I did, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so I just killed 2. same bullet. Okay, I missed one, but that's not bad. Boom. Bam. Wait, bah. I mean, I think I shot him. Yes. What the? What the? Wait, I'm laying there. What the? Where is there the duck dancing? Wait, wake up. Oh wait, wait. What? Mom? Mom, did we actually just lose the knife? Duck season play level 5. Oh. Guys, someone has the knife in our... Someone has the knife from our home. Hopefully they just ran away. Like not stayed in the home. Hopefully there's nothing there like behind me like sometime. 14 no, not fat duck again. No, actually yes, fat duck again, because this is so freaking easy. Yeah, I already reached it. There's this many ducks left. Might as well. 24 out of 14. Okay. Great. Why that great has a shadow. Duck sanity, don't like... I hate duck sanity. I can't let 4 more. Oh, let's go! I did it. Whew. But remember, someone has the knife to our home. I know they're about to get me from behind when I'm just trying to look at this. Level 6 already. I mean, if you say so. I've never seen a candy shape like this before. Hello, wake up. I wanna do this. Please say this is normal. I know, like fat duck. Actually, fat duck would be nice. But duck sanity, I hate it. Three. I mean, I hit all 3, but 3. That's not normal. Okay, this is the only time I've missed a few. Okay, I missed one. Not that bad. Oh my days, I can't get that one. Yeah, I missed 2, I think. Yeah, I missed 3. Sorry, dog there, but... oh yeah, sorry guys. Sorry that I burped, it was this candy. Oh yeah, because this is not full screen, because it's not meant for VR. No, it's only meant for VR, I think. I mean, what the freak you mean? I think. I know. Actually, no, I didn't miss that one. Like, I don't know. Someone has a. Anyway, remember, someone has a knife in our knife in real life in our home. So, yeah, I've recorded for like 30 minutes, and this is only the first episode, and this is only like one ending. Hello. Why you look so mad? Oh no. News 6 channel.
Tonight on News Channel 6 at 6 o'clock, the mystery behind the disappearance of several families in the Tri-County area continues to grow. What investigators are now saying about this bizarre case. Plus your 5-day weather forecast and sports. All that at 6.
Mom, You see this? Several families have gone missing, Mom, and you just said where's our knife? I think that has to do something with the news. Why you look so mad? Is she looking at me or is she looking at her food like mad? Like this food is so The attack, no, time attack. 5 ducks in less than 15 seconds. Yeah, this is easy for me now. I already reached it. 9 ducks out of 5. I could easily do 10 if it's time attack V2. Fat duck. Oh yeah, this is way easier. There are such fat ducks still here. Oh, 2 more. Boom and bam. Bam. 14 out of 14. Wait, I reached more than that. That was not there before. The dog was there! Mom! Mom! Oh my fucking voice crack. Level 8. The dog is behind me in real life. He's like there. Okay, I guess. Mom, I'm not gonna shoot you now. Sorry that I shot you when you're like there in real life. How am I supposed to get all this? They thought I'm gonna be so concentrated on this that I can't look behind me. I know the dog is about to be up here behind me somewhere, like Oh yeah, I'm playing as 2 people, the guy in this game and that kid. Right now the guy in this game. Oh no. Boom. Bam. Bam. Oh no. Was that the whole round? I missed 2. Maybe 3. You remember that Looney Tunes thing? Rabbit season, duck season. Fail. How many did I lose? Great. 4 out of 3. What? Okay, this one. Okay. Oh. Mom! No! I'll do this for you, Mom. Don't face me. I thought he was coming from real life. But don't let the TV break. I will let it break because I'm so bad. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I will get the TV breaking ending. Oh no. like 700 birds. It's not my fault. No, you ain't showing nothing. What? This time we needed 2 shots? I'm not letting the TV break. Wait, did I do it? TV has 100 health. What? Let's go, it's almost dead. It should be. Oh, yes, I killed it. Then I need to do an ending where he gets me, and I need to do so many different endings. Oh my god. Okay. Where's that? That's closed. Oh. I have a feeling he's about to come from there. I told you. Yes! I electrocuted him! Frick you, you freaking dog season freaking dog! Yeah, die in your freaking virtual blood. This was for you, Mom. What do I do now? I mean, I killed the guy. Yo. Canon ending. 1 out of 7 completed. Yeah, I break. My boy, breaking the disc. I killed the murderer. This game was made for.
Hello, are you there?
Mom, this was for you.
Hello?
This was for you, Mama. But you still never made me that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'll just bury my mom. Yeah, this the canon and sad ending. Actually, this isn't even a sad ending because we can't just save our mom. Of course, she will die anyways. Unless if there's a secret ending, or like one of the endings is that. Yeah, go, my boy. I'm sitting in this sofa. Go, Ted. I'm about to let all the credits roll. This is only for the first episode. Wow. Chapman Lee, that sounds cool. Oh yeah, no, I thought that was it. I was like, huh? Wait, was that it? Only this? Like, is this like an indie small game? Oh, all of the things are there. Oh, it's still. Oh no, that's the same. Duck season. New game plus. Oh, okay. Next time we have something different then. Alright then. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe or obliterate that like button. This has to be one of my favorite endings yet. Well, of course, this is the first episode, but 7 more episodes after this. Come on, boys. Peace.